Let's get our life together and clean my refrigerator. I'm not a cleaning expert or anything like that, but I like to be a little bit organized. We got sauces, we got a couple of like jars and cans, we got a whole bunch of butter, we got a whole bunch of eggs, we have feta cheese, we have onions, sour cream, tortillas, baby juice, teas, potatoes and carrots, jalapenos, serranos, tomatoes, lettuce and avocados, and cheese, ham. I also cleaned the freezer. We got chicken broth, we got frozen bananas, we got hash browns, we have 1 bag of beans, frozen vegetables, all kinds of meat.